Hey there, Darren and Harley with TJ. Harley's over there setting the press up. We're about ready to start messing with this CounterShaft. First thing we got to do is press off this fifth gear. So we got to press off the fifth and sixth, but we got a snap ring right there we got to take care of. Now, they don't intend on you servicing this shaft. Let me get the camera pointed down at it. You got to pull the C-clip off, and then we will commence to press this off. And we picked up a new fifth gear because we've been told that the fifth gear idler and the input shaft, which is fifth gear, that those are notorious for making quite a bit of noise. So we went ahead and picked those up. This sixth gear right here, this has to be pressed off, but it will go back on. We have third gear and we have fourth gear. Oh, hold on. Did I get that wrong? I could be wrong. I think this is third gear and this is fourth gear. Yeah, so let's get into it and see what we got, people. Alright, let's get that snap ring off. Nice. Alright, that's interesting. Let me put this in put this somewhere. I did notice that this is green. I'm really curious why they have this colored green, and then they have this colored green right here. So hopefully it may not mean anything, but I have heard that some of these C-clips can vary as far as the width. Well, when we were putting the other, let me see, what were we putting together that we had to grind it down on? No, I can't remember. Oh, the input shaft. Yeah, we had to take 6/1000ths. We had to take 6/1000ths off that ring, so hopefully this isn't the same situation here. But all right, let me mark it, get it put in a Ziploc bag.
All right, so this is our setup. We got a press.
All right, so
With the socket. Don't listen to that other thing.
all right, so yeah. All right, so here's our tubing. We have this wrapped with cardboard. Another tip that we got, this setup was done by Mechanic 44, except he did his with round pipe. We've changed some things up, I think, to make it a little bit more yeah, better for pressing. So this fifth gear, we put this angler in back here, so that way when it finally does, it actually is holding these pads. So that way when it does go, it's not going to fly over. So we're pressing fifth gear off. I already took the snap ring off. We have a piece of plywood down here. Look it down here. I'm not sure if the plywood's going to work. I'm not sure how hard this is going to press or if this is going to cut into this plywood. But we put a bunch of fabric, jeans and different stuff in the bottom of this for cushion. So it's lined with cardboard, and we got jeans down there. Now, getting to this, I don't know. I'm not real excited. I'm not real excited about what we're pressing with as far as a socket. So I think you're gonna need to go grab me another socket. Go ahead and put that camera. See how hard this thing presses. Okay, here we go.
There we go.
Yeah.
It is crushing the plywood.
Yeah, I know it would.
Maybe I should have doubled it up. Nah, it's gone.
That's gone. We should be almost through.
Maybe to hold the socket.
All right, so we were successful. We watched it was, yeah, I don't want to say good nor bad. Go ahead and put that in the Ziploc bag. 5th gear. So that angle iron works pretty good. We're going to take 6th gear off now. This is going to allow us to get to the synchronizers. Stuff falling up there. All right, cool. This gear is getting reused. 6th gear. All right, so we don't have a anything to work on here, so it's just right out here in the open. I guess I could cut a piece of what could I do? You know what? I'm just gonna do it right here. I'm just going to. We're so close to going back together on this side. I think this is 3rd gear here. I'm going to put down 3rd. This thing's, I'm pulling this slider out, putting the synchronizers in. Everything's going right back together. Blocker, synchronizers, all that good jazz. So could we assume that we got to press this off? Yep, we got a snap ring right there. So you want to hold it? Oh boy, that one's loose.
What do I need to hold?
Just make sure I don't drop the shaft. Okay. I'm going to put put this snap ring in with the third. I need to, I'm not quite sure how we pull this one off.
Little truss.
Okay, let me, here, you hold right here. I still do want to try to retain some of the balls. There's one, okay, yeah, that'll work. Oh, wow. Here they come. Okay. So why don't you get a Ziploc bag
Okay.
for those?
What are we gonna call these?
Third, fourth retainers. The only way that I know how to get this out is to press on the back side of fourth to push that hub off.
Did you?
Did I what?
The snap ring.
I took it off.
Okay. There's a really small one.
As opposed to let this drop to the bottom, I'm gonna hold it right here. Boy, it's there we go. All right.
Nailed it.
Yeah. Take it back over to the. All right, so got the blocking ring over here. I'm going to take off. Take both them off. Now, I'll be honest, with the condition that everything's been in here, we are just going to. I'm just going to take a quick peek right here. Let me pull this up and it'll probably go right back on. There's nothing wrong with that bearing. Here. It splits. Let me just take a look at the race. Nah, this looks perfect. Zero, nothing wrong. This looks absolutely perfect in here. No, this thing's going right back together.